Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, nice movement today. Continued on from the movement on Monday, and now the price is even broken back above this red line here, right around the 1270 mark. So what I'm going to do, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, is that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. And I'm also going to give this a little wiggle room here, and I'm going to give it wiggle room down to $12.60. If the price drops below $12.70 a little bit, that's okay. But at some point, you got to say, well, how much is too much? And that's where I'd say, and give it a little 10-second of wiggle room here. Meaning, if the price then all of a sudden goes down to $12.60 and plummets through there, well, then, at that point, that's pretty much a failed breakout. But as of right now, like I said, you do want to give things a little bit of wiggle. And as of now, the price is, staying very nicely up above that level. So 1260 is going to be that first key level of support that you want to see hold up. If that doesn't hold up, then I am going to adjust this level of support up to right here at 1220. So that'll be another key level. And it's always a good sign whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, like I just did right there. Now, that doesn't mean that this thing's going up to $20, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. Like I said, whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher and then higher, and so on and so forth. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it is all about that purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see that the price has, been, whenever the price has gotten up around that area, it has definitely struggled, but it's certainly within striking distance now headed into Wednesday. So that doesn't mean that it'll for sure break above it just because it's within striking distance. My point here is it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to have that, yeah, maybe the price can get some sort of break up through that moving average. But all in all, nice bounce today, nice movement through the 1270 mark. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.